Wi-Fi or a thin client, which shows the variety of system performance features, as you can see. And as you go to the individual tabs, you can configure your IP-PBX or a router. Here we are setting up an IP-PBX, and we can have other features like voice recording, IVR, voice tapping, voicemail, Skype interface, a variety of feature, conference call, all can be supported. You can go to the extension setup, where you can set up your variety of extension. We'll show you a live example of a call being made. As you see the first call coming up soon, and here you go, and soon after you will see a second call extension being activated. Going back to the system page, hitting the network tab, you can set up your basic router. The router specs are continuously being improved. Here you can see settings for DNS, DHCP, VPN, security, firewall, quality of service, even wireless. The networking software runs native along with the Asterisk Call Manager and is not a virtual machine. This allows for complete flexibility in performance. Back to the control page, and here we show the Skype configuration for voice over IP, where Skype is acting as a SIP server working through your IP-PBX system. Voicemail comes to your direct email, GTalk. Now we show you an example of our gateway application software. The variety of gateways, VoIP gateways to FXS gateways, GSM to PRI or IP gateways, PRI to voice over IP gateways. These are very useful and popular these days, especially while networks are getting deployed on SIP trunks. All gateways have their own SIP client. They talk to an external SIP server. Applications are now key to quick deployment for a variety of ISPs and SME. Here we show you certain applications which are primarily open source applications.